is the wife, the house.
Okay.
So, you getting that?
I'm getting it.
Don't worry, I have a very light step.
No, you don't. Wrong, wrong. That was the uvula. I think that's what it's called.
Then that must be the uvula.
Yep. Right.
So it's a girl house. Everyone has a uvula. Not me.
Yes, you.
No.
Alright, good to go again. Good to go.
Wait!
Are those cults?
Come on, DJ, we don't have time for this. Yeah, we've got to find a way out of here.
Trust me, it's important. It's important for sure.
Holy moly! He
Ah.
really did eat her. Her whole body is buried in cement.
Yeah, she's part of the house.